boy. Mommy and Daddy are home.
She was talking about you all morning.
All right. Who's that? Who is that in there? Who's in there? Baby Ruby, huh? Huh? Then you have your big girl seat on the other side. Let's go make sure she's not being usurped. Oh, looky. Who's that?
Say hi, Ruby.
Hi, Ruby. Ruby.
She's sleepy.
We ready to
She
play?
went night-night.
Can play my toys?
Inside?
We'll play with my toys.
Okay. Maybe I'll play some mine.
Yeah.
Let's go show your toys.
Let's go show her your toys, okay?
Ruby's coming home.
Look at that little pumpkin. Oh my gosh.
Shall we open the door for Ruby? Open the door for Ruby.
These are going
Oh,